Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you a brand new boat we just got into our stock. This is a 2020 G25 from Nautique. So the G25 is the biggest in the lineup, 25 feet in length. It is a 19-person boat, has plenty of space for all your friends. This particular boat we did option with the ZZ6, which is the 450 horsepower with 465 foot-pounds of torque. Like all our Gs, this is a subfloor ballast, 2,850 pounds of subfloor ballast. You can add more weight, but right out of the box, this thing will do great surfing and wakeboarding for you. We got the nice wakeboard racks. We did the 8/8 up on the tower from JL Audio. It does come with the bimini. We do have steer assist on this boat. Option out with the lights. We really did a lot on this one. So come on down to MarineMax of Rogers and take a look. As always, hit the subscribe button and click to subscribe.